Hey, it's Zhongyuan, and this video is about how to use Flowdock and Confluence for MUR electric team members. And firstly, let me introduce how to use the Flowdock. As you can see, this is the main interface of the Flowdock website, and you need to first register. You need to first be invited and register an account. This is my account. This is my avatar. I'm a South Park fan, so this is my avatar. And this list here are flows in Flowdock. The flows means like a chat room or just a Facebook log, dialogue. Just you can have all the conversations here or threads, and these are different flows that you can access for MUR electric teams. And here are the one-to-one conversations or private conversations. You can talk to someone privately, and here you can add to any flows by clicking this plus sign. And here are flows that are available inside the MUR electrical and MUR combustion team. And as you can see, I have already added to some of the flows, and I'll show you some here within the management capstone team. Within flows, there are many dialogues called threads, and you can just start a new thread or new topic here just by typing something like this is a new thread, and just tap send, or as I set the hotkey as Shift plus Enter, and you can just type Enter as you wish. You can set it in the preferences, and here let me press Shift and Enter. Here is the new thread, and why we're using threads instead of conversations like Messenger, like iMessage, because you can trace the threads, trace everything about related to the threads easily by click on this button, this bubbles. And here you can see everything about the thread, and you can comment on this thread. This is a comment, and you can post this comment. Also, outside this thread, you can check everything about the thread and comment every updates about this flow in here. And also, if there's another thread, this is another thread, and if you post another thread and after pages of conversations, and you still want to find out what is talking about in this thread, you may just click on this button, and everything about every person's comments about this thread is shown here. That's why we encourage you to use threads other than just type in this column here. And on the right, there are inboxes. We haven't been using inboxes frequently, but a main use of this inbox is to manage interactions between Flowdock and outside sources. Like there's an example of email mailbox, and in this mailbox there are many informations updates about the MUR electric team, and every email that this mailbox received will occur here, so that you can just click on here and check what is within this main-e at mur.flowdock.com in this mailbox. And also there is a Confluence link, which you can click this link, and it will redirect you to the MUR Confluence, which I have already opened here. And this is the main method of Flowdock, and here are some advantage techniques of how to use this, how to chat like this. And firstly, if you are familiar with Markdown language, this is the same in Flowdock. It's just like if you want to code something, just tap this this is a quote, and this is the quote here. And also, if you like to emphasize, you can use underscores. It's like this, italic. And if you want to bold, just double underscore and bold, and with double underscore. Here is bold. And also there's a lot of techniques about Markdown, and which I found here. Here is the Markdown cheat sheet. You can check everything you like, how to post links, lists, like images here, and I'll post this link on the description of this video. And there are also some advanced functions. If you type /help or /?, you can find here Flowdock chat commands, and tap these things like you can generate a GIF from the website Jiffy, and you can use some memes, and you can just slap someone or just start a one-to-one conversation. It's really easy. You can just read through this, and that's basically how to use Flowdocks. And for how to use, I need to mention one last thing is how to use one-to-one conversation. As you can see this here. If I want to talk to C privately, I can just click on C's name, and there's a start one-to-one option. Click on this, and you start a private conversation here. Here is something we have talked before. And once you have talked to someone, they will appear here, and so that you can find this conversation really easily. For example, I talk to Max, talk to Zhiyu, and so on. And now we come to MUR Confluence. This is a website where we store everything and where we post more formal documents here. And as you can see, here is the dashboard of MUR Confluence, and what we really focus on is this page, electric. And within Confluence, there are things called spaces, and the spaces is where your team works, put your everything about your teams here. As you can see, there are already spaces for every team. For example, the accumulator team, the battery management team, and also this team is this space is our team space. It's called MUR 2016 Project Management Capstone. And here is our event updates. It's calendars. And in the center here, in this part, there are blogs, and the blogs are like announcements in LMS. You can just post every important updates here with explanation and description. And here is the activity stream. This is more straightforward. Like you can see, Nemo has updated some files, and here's Zhiyu, here is Nemo again. And every update of files and pages can be found here. And to the right, there are electric team members, every members, and these members in teams. And here I would like to show you how to create spaces and how to create pages. Right here is my avatar. You can see this is the same in Flowdock, and you can click on this, and if you first click on this avatar, you can see the add personal space option here. And since I have already created my personal space, I just click on this to redirect to my personal space. The first thing you would like to do after you have created the Confluence account is to create your personal space, because it's important for people to know you. And here is my space. It's called Zhongyuan Fang, which is my Chinese name. And this is my home page named Kevin's Home. And you can see here, this is my dashboard, my profile. You can finish your profile in the preferences. And also, here are some news about my space. Basically, it's nothing. And once you have created your personal space, all you have to do is to create your personal homepage. There are two ways. One is to create a blank page from scratch. Just click the create button, and here comes the edit interface where there's nothing yet. You can click on everything and hello world, so things like that, and click preview to see the page. The page will be like this, and click edit. You can add in many things like edit a bullet list or edit the format. There are some useful macros here. You can click the pull down list from the plus button, and here are some, you can input some links, markup, and task list. There are any status, gallery, team calendar, and other macros. If you click on other macros, you can see all available macros. Like you can add a calendar dashboard in your team. Just click insert, and here is a calendar dashboard like this. So I will not finish this one. I'll show you another way of how to build this personal homepage. It's just click here. It's called create from template, and if you click here, there's a blank page, just like what we have seen before. And here you can create blog post, just like what's in the electric main page. There's a place for blog posts, and also calendar, decision, everything, how to article, or just a poll to let people in the team to vote for something, or meeting notes. Every time you meet, you can record your meet with this meeting notes or product requirements. I believe this will happen a lot during your design. For example, if I click this like meeting notes, I click create, and here are some tips about how to use meeting notes. I click create, and here are the meeting notes about 4th of April 2017, and here are the date, event, who have attendees, and the goals of the meeting, and what we have discussed. And you can just edit these things within the within template, or you just add something, everything you like inside this, or you can just use different page layout. And here is about personal web page, or you can just use it in any other spaces in our team spaces. If you click this pull down button, you can see every available spaces like this. And what I want to show you is on our space, the MUR 2016 project management capstone space. And within this space, I have uploaded two documents, one called how to use Confluence and one called how to use Flowdock. And these two pages basically tells how to use these production tools to help you with your project. And this is basically covers what I have said, and also what is important, what useful tips, and also detailed functions like add page from templates, edit pages. There are also, it's like file folders. There's a page and sub pages or child pages, and according to Confluence. It's like for example, if I want to create a child page under this how to use Confluence page, it's like how to use Confluence advanced skills. I just redirect to this how to use Confluence page, which I have already in, and just click create. And I click the page title as child page, child, and click save. You can see now there's a child page under how to use Confluence, and you can add some directions, add some links in this, and so that people can access this child page at a really fast pace. And here is a child page, and this is what I just created less than a minute ago, just like this. And I can add it. If I want to delete this, let me check how to delete this. And not here. It's here. You can edit this page. You can delete this page, copy this page, or just export to PDF, whatever you like in here. And now I just delete this, and I have deleted. What's another important thing is watches. As you can see, within this page is what I created, so I have access to edit it. I can save it for later, or I can just watch it. If you watch something, you can watch spaces and you can watch pages. If you watch something, every update or every changes to the space, to this homepage, to this pages, subpages, child pages, will send you an email or give you a notification. So be careful to watch everything. Or it could be very annoying. It's like you got tens of emails flowing into your mailbox. And here is share. I will not talk about it more. If you have already watched something, you can just manage the watch here. You click the watches, and you can see what you're watching. There's nothing I'm currently watching, and if I would like to watch this MUR-26 project management capstone, this space, I just click watch here, and here are the notifications. You are not watching this page, start watching to receive email updates about everything, about changes to this page. You click watch page, or you can just click watch all contents in the space, which means all the 3 pages here. And after I have watched this space, the eye has been activated, and here I can see, I can see the watches here. Here I'm currently watch this MUR 2016 homepage. And if you do not want to watch this anymore, you can just click stop watching, and everything is done, safe and clear. And here's how to use the MUR electric Confluence page, and you can just check every team's homepage as you like, and you can create a homepage for your own team. Like in this accumulator team, this is the homepage of the accumulator. It seems very good. Every capstone students, junior students, and calendars are already here. There's no block streams right now, and for example, the chassis. And the chassis has different styles of homepage, but you can see that there are already many pages in the space, and you can work on. Also, you can just use different styles as you like, because this is your homepage. What I do want to mention at last is how to use comments, how to interact with different people about the page. There's some major ways of communicating in this Confluence system. There's a chat function which is located here. You can just click this and see who is online, and you can just start a private conversation, just like YouTube, just like Facebook. And more advanced communication functions are comments. It's just like Microsoft Word, where you comment on something and people will see it beside the contents, and they can comment. They can reply to this comment. And what you're gonna do here is just to select the part you want to comment on, and there's a bubble automatically pops up, and you can click this add inline comments, and here I'm making comments. It's like this is a comment, and I click save. You can see here the comment, and also everyone watching this will see this comment, and I will also can kind of mention someone, so like mention Max Ueda, or if I mention him here, click here, and I told Max, come and see. This comment is for you. I have some question with this word or this sentence, and I'll see. Hey, come, come and see this. If I click save, and this will automatically give a notification to Max, and Max will come and see this and reply to me, and we'll just talk like this. So I will not mention him now because it's a little bit late. So I just show you this function. And now you can see here is a comment. If I can just delete this comment as well. And that's basically how to use Confluence. You can check any other details inside this. This page tells more specific skills to use this Confluence, and also you can just check the Atlassian documentation about how to use this. I will post this link in the description of this video as well. And here is a lot of tutorials, macros, and markups, everything. You can find everything here, but this kind of complicated, so you can come here if you really need some special functions, special methods to use this Confluence. So that's basically. If you have any questions, just feel free to comment on this page, or just send me a personal message, or just send me a message through the Flowdock. I'm here. I'm Kevin, and remember this avatar. And thank you for watching.